Hey everyone, well, Lance Fantasy Gaming vlogging series today. The day after the election, well, it's like 3 in the morning of it, and I don't know who won, but it's very close, I'll say, but we'll see how it is by this week for it. But if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get started. So we have a lot of stuff painted. I've been painting non-stop for it. So I have a terrain of sewers that will be coming up soon in January, but you'll see the shorts soon for them as well. And these were part of my campaign that I'm working on. They just got out of the Nautiloid ship that got crashed underneath the city and the sewer. Now they got to go back up to town, so for that they got to traverse a sewer filled with rats. Lots of rats. So, um, yeah, so we're going to be doing that for that campaign. I think that'll be like in 2 months. We got some frost trolls painted up as well. We got some polar werebears. And a lot of people are asking me how fast I'm able to paint my figures for Warhammer and stuff like that. If it's something intricate that I want to display, but if it's going to be game used, I don't really do that much detailed game use because after a while, even though it's varnished, it's just going to look like crap and just smudged by the oils in your fingers, the dirt, and everything else like that. There are going to be videos for these up soon, but you can watch the any other videos and even the speed and normal paint, see how I do it. A lot of times you put the base coats in, then you dry brush the shit out of it, then you can put speed paint on top of that, then do details in the end. Or, speed paint it, then dry brush the hell out of it, then add the details, and you're done. So that's how I get to, literally, what you say, able to get through a lot of these small figures really, really quick. Usually takes about 4 or 5 hours till a day or two. But like a big figure like Karlak I have up there, that took a week, and that took more attention to details, and it's a display one. So the display, I'll take a lot more time for it. Unless you pay me to paint them, then I'll take a hell of a lot more time because you're paying me by the hour just to make it as nice as possible, in my opinion. But yeah, Loth is done as well. You know, I'm very proud of my work. December scheduling is done and over with. I'm halfway done with January with the painting. Be two types of sewer terrain, part one and part two. Then we'll be working on Eldars. I forgot that we had one more. There's a anime proxy of the Thousand Sun sorcerer with big old biddies that I have to paint. But the anime proxies are pretty much done. Going to be pre-ordering the new 3D printer for the Anycubic M7 Max. It's an upgrade from my M3 Max. Make it probably be a lot better for a paint job. Has a built-in heater. So we'll see how that goes and how that works in many ways as well. People are also asking like what job I'm going for my after I'm done with school. I really don't know. I'm just doing this to use up my GI Bill. And my therapist, psychiatrist, tell me I need to get out of the house and do something productive because I deal with severe anxiety and depression and PTSD. That's one way. Try to get my be a little bit get more and more used to everything else as well with that as well. But other than that, yeah, I've just been painting. uh, very, very much and very, very fast. It's like these gummies that I'm taking right now, these CBD gummies are helping me out a lot in many ways, especially at night, able to go to sleep and so forth as well. and getting stuff done. And I'm happy and I'm proud of it. Anyhow, I think that'll be it, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day, guys. Bye.